guys, welcome back. So this is the last thing I did for the day, which I made a separate video of how to install one of these switches right here. It's a double pole switch for a 240, 277 volt or whatever. So I will show you how to do that in a separate video. If you want to check that out, make sure to check that out after this video or when you got free time. So I went ahead and did that, and then went ahead and strapped this wire right here, which is the long one that goes all the way across the ceiling like I showed you yesterday. So it wasn't actually too bad, this one was already done, but just shot basically one shot in the center of each of these beams. Just strapped it once, so it wasn't too bad. I thought it was going to be a big deal, but it really wasn't. So I think I did that home run yesterday over there, but let's see what else I did. Got these lights done right here, and then left a switch leg, or left a loop up in the ceiling, and then also this one over here, same thing. This one right here, I'll go so in this bathroom right here, did the same exact thing, it's just opposite. So that other box had the wire come out the top, but I chose this one because this one was a little smaller so I could get my drill in here. So I got a loop up here, and I should probably take this loop out the ceiling on Monday. And then took this loop out right here that was sitting up there and brought it up to the ceiling. And then I went ahead and finished that home run that I was talking about yesterday at the end of the day. This is for the lighting circuit, which goes around here, through the ceiling, over the ceiling, and then down over to that box over there. So I'll go show you that real quick. So if you remember yesterday, I said I was going to run the home run, so there it is. It's the wire I just showed you. Just goes up to the ceiling and then just straight across right there to that room that I just showed you, and then it goes into that box. And then I went ahead and switched out these mud rings here for the 1.5" size like I told you, and then I strapped these to the ceiling. I was just running around with the gun all day, which was kind of fun. Finally got the hang of it. So I shot these up, strapped them to the ceiling, strapped these to the ceiling into the box. Can't really see that. So 4 of them in there, the home runs, 3 on this side, and that 1 around the back. So took the wires out of that box and that box going sideways, and brought them both up and over and down. So when they put a door in here in the future, they can do that. So alright guys, thanks for stopping by. I highly appreciate it. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed, and hopefully you enjoy the channel. Thanks to all the new subscribers, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. It would help me out, and subscribe if you want to see more content, and if you want to help support me, I'd appreciate that. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. God bless. I will see you later. Try to make a Corvette video over the weekend, but probably not likely. I'm going to be pretty busy again, so I'll shoot for Monday or Friday of next week if that's possible. So super slammed these days and don't have much free time, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. Corvette is still broken, so trying to get that figured out. I'm just sick of it. So anyways, hopefully you guys have an awesome weekend, and I will see you guys back here soon, and I'll try to update you with some other videos or whatnot. So I will see you guys later. Thanks for all the support. Peace out. Also, thanks to everyone who left a comment yesterday. Thanks for all the support and reaching out and engaging in the comments, and appreciate that, and hearing all the feedback and positive things you guys always got to say. So thanks for the support, and hopefully you guys leave some more comments so I can engage with you guys. If you got any questions, drop them below, and I'll see you guys later.